Well, car's back home. We got a lot of work to do on this. My goal was to come home from work and just dive right into it, but came home, I had a snack, and 2 hours later, here I am waking up. So I got the heater going. I apologize for that. But yeah, it was like 65 degrees yesterday, and now it's 28, and we've got like 4 inches of snow. So, yay. But yeah, we got a lot to get on this thing, so we are going to get started. I tried to clean up the garage as best I could. I still got to do some more. But I want to get the car a little bit more positioned away from that wall, just so I can get like the doors open, but still work around it and keep space. So, tiny garage, big problems, right? But yeah, the heater's going to run the whole time, you guys, so I'm probably just going to throw this camera up on the tripod over here, do a little time lapse on it, and do a little music. I'm sorry, it is what it is, because I'm not turning the heater off. It's already getting late, and I'm probably going to turn the radio up really loud. So the goal on this one is we got to get this thing back up on jack stands and get everything that we put in it back out of it, so that, you know, just to get it home we had to put the suspension back in, so all that's got to come back out, and this way we can start pretty much from where it was when it was at my brother's barn. So I don't know. Anyway, sit back, we're gonna get in this thing, and yeah, we're gonna get started on it, really. So all right, let's go. Alright, well, rear axle's out. Wasn't terrible. It's not very fun doing it with one person though. But she's out. Now we gotta tackle the front. It's coming apart just about the same as when it went back together, so that's not bad. But it's taking a little breather. I am in a weight loss challenge at work, and you know, Joe, I'm sorry. I gotta have a root beer. It's Friday, man. We're cheating, right? So we'll get the front end out and keep on moving. All right, well, that's pretty much gonna do it for the night. We got everything that we put on back off. So the front K-member's out, rear axle's out. I got a pile of parts here I'm gonna take back to my brother's because I don't need them here. It's just old stuff that I'm not using, and the tires and spring. I borrowed all that from him to get this thing home. But let me go turn this heater off so we can have some quiet time. So yeah, the car is completely immobile again, so that's always a good thing. So it was kind of nice when it rolled, because if I needed the garage I could roll it out and do stuff. But we are locked in now. We got to get this thing done. I've already started putting a kind of a list together, going over stuff. We got the interior breakdown, everything underneath the underbody, engine bay, and then just the main stuff. So this is just kind of things that came to mind. That list will definitely be growing and shrinking a little bit as we go. But next up, I want to get the K-member here cleaned up. We do have to go through and then start marking out. I got a rust hole here I got to fix. I got some more over there I got to fix. We got to get the sound deadener off of here so we can get it all ready, cleaned up, weld up any holes. And then we got to paint the inside of it. Same thing with the engine bay. We got some rust over here that we never did address. We got to get that taken care of. All this wiring has to come out. Dashboard still got to come out. But yeah, everything's got to get cleaned up because we are going to paint everything. We're just going to do basically that chassis saver, the same stuff I used on the Jeep. It gives a really nice finish, kind of like a factory finish. It actually holds up really well. So we're going to do the engine bay and then the whole interior with the black. Make it look pretty, and then start rebuilding. But long process. So yeah, everything came out pretty easy. Wasn't graceful by any means because it was just me doing it by myself, but we got her. So that's gonna do it for this video. It's getting late. It's about 10 to 11. So it didn't take too long, 2 or 3 hours. So not terrible, but I am beat and I am going to bed. So you guys, as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.